In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable background sounds on your macOS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select your Apple icon up in the menu bar and then select System Settings. And then on the left side, select Accessibility. And then on the right side, scroll down underneath Hearing and you want to select Audio from the list, where it says background sounds. Play background sounds to mask unwanted environmental noise. These sounds can minimize distractions, increase sense of focus, and help you cope with symptoms related to tinnitus. Go ahead and click inside that oval to toggle it on to enable, and that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.